Welcome back to HQ Travel. Today, we're exploring Siam Premium Outlets Bangkok, one of the biggest outlet shopping destinations near Bangkok. If you enjoy finding premium brands at discounted prices, this is the place you should know about. Unlike Bangkok's famous shopping malls like Siam Paragon or CentralWorld, Siam Premium Outlets offers a completely different experience. Instead of a huge indoor mall, you get an open air shopping village where you can walk between stores, explore different brands, and take your time searching for good deals. You know, the main reason people come here is the outlet prices. You can find many international brands covering fashion, sportswear, shoes, accessories, and lifestyle products, often at much lower prices than regular stores. And for the shoppers who enjoy looking for discounts and hidden deals, this place can easily turn into a few hours of exploring. Another thing I like about CM Premium Outlets is the atmosphere. Compared with the busy city malls, it feels more relaxed. There is more space to walk around, fewer crowds, and it's really good. And you can enjoy shopping without feeling rushed. There are also cafes and places to take a break when you need some rest between stores. If you enjoy outlet shopping and searching for great deals, CM Premium Outlets is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for walking with me today and subscribe to HQ Travel for more Bangkok experiences.